All right, here we are on lesson 8. We have quite a bit of things in here that we're going to add. Now, these are kind of like the odds and ends, things of a room that you might want to do. Now, we're going to start off with doing some shelves. I'm going to hop over here to a table in case you want to put there. Then we'll go to a desk, all right? I'll show you two different ways that you can do a desk, all right? And a couch or chair, okay? Or, yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, we'll be fine. We're going to be doing that. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at, sorry guys, that was the bell. We're going to connect our shelves. So we're going to connect corner to corner. Okay, there we go. Here we are. Now remember, front edge matches the back edge. We have to make sure that it is parallel with the front. So we're going to go up and over. Okay, and that is our first shelf. Anything that's on this top shelf, just know that you're not going to see everything. So for example, if I wanted a book on here, okay, we've got to angle it back to the vanishing point and over. You're not going to see the bottom, which, it's okay. All right, so let's do this one here. All right, now this one, we are not going to see the whole thing because it's right in order, but we want it to match. So we're going to have here. Here you might see the whole book. All right, there we go. Beautiful shelves. Okay, so let's move over to a table, or it could be a coffee table. Maybe you want a seating area in your bedroom, which is fine. So we're gonna angle back to the vanishing point, angle this back to the vanishing point. Okay, now we're gonna make this be inside the room, not too far. So we're not gonna extend it. So we're gonna kind of go over like this. All right, beautiful. Now, we need to still get lifted up. So we're gonna put some legs in here. Straight down, curved. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, two different ways that you can do desks. One, okay, is we start with a box. Okay, make sure we're connecting to the vanishing point. All right. Here we go. There we go. We're going to go up this way. Okay. Beautiful. There we go. All right. So, in order to create this illusion that we can put our feet into a section, we're going to go up and down in this spot. So it goes up and down. Okay. All right. Here we go. I'm going to give you 1 and 2. Okay. So those two spots we're going to connect to the vanishing point. The first one, we're only drawing to this line, to that line. Okay. And this line, we're going to only go there. Okay. Now these are going to be our drawers. All right. So let's put a doorknob there, a knob, a knob. Okay. Now we're going to make this look like it's going in. So this corner is going to go directly in and up. All right. I know it's getting complicated. So you got in and up. All right. Nice, right? Now, in order to do an actual chair for here, you can make something that is non-1 point perspective, which we're going to talk in the next lesson, or you can actually draw a real chair. In order to do a real chair, you start off with an H or a backwards H, whichever one you want to go with. So I'm going to kind of point this in. Okay. Connect our lines. 1, 2, okay, and 3. Okay. Now, we're going to go down, all the way down here, okay? Now, I'll explain where we stop this. But this corner, we're going to skip over here and go across, okay? Now, in order to figure out where this back line stops, we're going to take this corner, and you see how much is being extended? We got to erase that part, okay? So just erase that part. You kind of know. All right, now on the other side, we need to see the other foot or the leg. Okay, so we're going to stay in line here. We're going to go straight up. Okay. All right, perfect. Oh, let's erase this. Another easy way, if you were going to do a table, okay, a desk, is you could actually draw something like this on the side, very skinny like this, connect, okay, and draw legs down like that, all right? So that is another option. All right, we're going to hop over to the couch, okay? Now we have a couple points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, quite a bit. Now this one is probably one of the most complicated things to draw. You could, one, just not draw it in your project, okay? Or we could simplify it, which is fine, all right? So we're going to connect all these corners. There we are. Remember, front edges matches the back edge. So we're going to go up, 1, 2, over. Okay. So we're going to go 1, up, and we're going to go over. We're going to go up and over. Okay. There we are. We're going to erase this. Now, the next thing that we need to do is when you put those arm rests, or the arm things. So we're going to go 1, 2, okay? Trust me on this one. Over, curve down. You start to see it? Over, oops, sorry, Bill, curve down, okay? Now, we can make this a little bit more curvier. You can go and curve your sides, okay, which is fine. Let's just erase this. And you can make this a little fancier. We can put on your feet, put a pillow. All right, so that is it for lesson 8, all right? And you're ready for lesson 9. Good job.